Prices of 24 cars at a used car dealership are shown in the table below. For this data, the mean is $7,750. The median is $7,675, and the range is $9,950. Note, since these calculations are based on the population, they are what's known as parameters rather than statistics. Statistics are what we calculate on a sample. So remember, for a population, they're parameters. OP takes a sample of 5 cars. He selects cars A, E, L, R, and T. So we've got A, E, L, R, and T. We want to calculate the mean, median, and range for OP sample. So our OP sample is 4,900, 3,000, 3,500, 5,350, and 4,600. So if we put those in order, that's 3,000, 3,500, 4,600, 4,900, and 5,350. So we can see that the median is the middle number there, 4,600. So let's calculate the mean. So for the mean, we're going to add them up. So 4,900, add 3,000, add 3,500, add 5,350, add 4,600, and there's 5 pieces of data, and so that is 4,270. And finally, the range is just the biggest piece of data. Take away the smallest, so that's the 5,350. Take away 3,000, 2,350. And we're going to talk about that shortly. So let's go on and look at Josie. She takes B, G, P, Q, and W as her sample. So that's going to be B, G, P, Q, and W. So let's just write those down. That's 11,200, 10,200, 10,500, 12,950, and 12,250. So putting those into order, we get 10,200, 10,500, 11,200, 12,250, and 12,950. And the median is the middle piece of data in that ordered list. And so that's 11,200. And we'll calculate the mean. So for the mean, we just need to add them up and divide by 5. So we've got 11,200, add 10,200, add 10,500, add 12,950, add 12,250, and we'll divide that by 5, and it's 11,420. And then finally the range. So that's the biggest take away the smallest. So the biggest was the 12,950. Take away 10,200, which is 2,750. Now the next part of the question is comment on the statistics calculated by Opie and Josie compared to each other and the population parameters. So if we consider compared to each other, there's a vast difference. If you look at the median and the mean, which are measures of central tendency, there is a big difference between these values. Not so much with the range, but let's compare to the population parameters. If we look at the mean and the median, then Opie's values are far less than those population parameters. Josie's are far more. And if we look at the range for both Opie and Josie, the range is much smaller than the population parameter. Now, the thing to note here is that the example was somewhat contrived. I deliberately picked small ones for Opie and large ones for Josie, but it is possible for small samples to exhibit this sort of bias. So it underlines some of the problems of sampling.